So finally I came to see the new iPhone 17 series in one of the Apple store which is in Covent Garden in London. There is a lots of people are still in the queue to see the new iPhone 17 series. The time is now 6:30 in evening time, but the people are still coming to see the new iPhone. Then this queue is from the morning time, so if you haven't came yet, lucky you haven't come yet because the queue is very long and it needs to wait at least 30 minutes to 1 hour just to go inside the store to see the new iPhone 17 series. So without wasting time, let's jump the queue. So we are literally middle of the roads because the queue is very long. We are literally on the road because there is a lot of people and I can say there is a 4 lines that we need to wait just to go inside the store. Probably, I believe it's take at least 1 hour to get there. Alright, so let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's see what is the changes you're going to see in this year. So first of all, let's talk about the display. So you will see a 6.9-inch Super XDR ProMotion display. That means that display supporting 1 to 120 Hz. Also, you will see a 3 cameras which is supporting now 48 megapixels, 48 megapixels main camera, 48 megapixels ultra wide angle camera, and also a new 48 megapixels 4x telephoto lens camera as well, but you can take up to 8x optical zoom as well. So that's 3 new 48 megapixels cameras as well. The body wise, you will see a new body design which is armor aluminiums, which is they upgraded from the titanium. So the new iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you will see only armor aluminiums body as well, and it's also a 2-tone colors, which is here is aluminiums and here is a glass plate. So it's gonna help you with the MagSafe when you are doing the charging, and also this MagSafe is supporting a Q2 charging technology system, which is really good as well. Also, if I can talk about the processor, so you will see a A19 Pro processor which is based on 3 nanometer, which is a 20% faster if you're comparing with a A18 Pro processor. And also you will see a first time 12 GB of RAM as well in iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max models. Also, you will see up to 2 terabytes of storage, which is updated from this year. Last year was a 1 terabyte, but this year you will see a 2 terabyte as well. The battery backup, the Apples are claiming that they are giving up to 37 hours of video playback, which is better. I believe 26 hours extra if you are comparing with the iPhone 16 Pro Max series. And also the chargings, also they did it faster. So if you charge at 20 minutes, you will get up to 50% of battery backup, which is really good as well. Guys, let me know how this orange color is looked in actually in reality. If it look nice or not, please let me know in the comments. This is the new iPhone 17 Air, which is the new first time Apple introduced iPhone Air, which is you will see the slimmest iPhone, which is 5.6 mm iPhone Air that I can see it. If I can talk about the specifications, so you will see a 6.5-inch Super XDR 120 Hz refresh rate, and also you will see a iOS 26 as well, which is a liquid glass technologies, as you can see. In the frame, you will see a titanium frame as well, and rear you will see only one 48 megapixels camera sensor as well, which is supporting optical 2x telephoto zoom as well, and also front you will see a 18 megapixels camera as well. The battery, Apples are claiming that they're gonna give up to 27 hours of battery backup, but let's see that it's actually in real life they're gonna give 27 hours of video playbacks or not. And this is the new iPhone 17, the best iPhone best model ever, which is a really good upgrade in this year. This is the iPhone 17. The look wise is the same like iPhone 16, but internal is completely changed. So first time you will see a 6.3-inch display. The iPhone 16 was coming with a 6.1-inch, but new iPhone 17 is coming with a 6.3-inch display size as well. And also you will see a first time 120 Hz Pro Motion displays in base iPhone. This is a really good. Apple finally came to 120 Hz Pro Motion displays in the best iPhone. The front you will see a 18 megapixels new center stage camera as well, which is upgraded from the 12 megapixels, the front one. And the rear you will see a new 48 megapixels cameras as well. Both of them are 48 megapixels. This is a 48 megapixels main camera and this is a 48 megapixels ultra wide angle camera as well, which is an aluminum frame from the last year. All of the phones are coming with a minimum of 256 GB variant, which is a really good. So this is the iPhone 17. This is the iPhone 17 Air, which is a 5.6 mm slim. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, and this is a new iPhone 17 Pro Max as well. So all of the phones are coming with a minimum of 256 GB variant. If I can talk about the price, so the iPhone 17 gonna start from £799. iPhone 17 Air gonna start from £999. iPhone 17 Pro start gonna £1099, and iPhone 17 Pro Max gonna start with the £1199. But guys, let me tell you one thing. This is really hard to shoot the videos in Apple Store because it's so much restrictions, especially on the launch day. There is a lots of people and they completely told me no to shoot the videos as well. They just agree with one thing, that okay, if you want to shoot the videos, make sure that nobody gonna come in the frame, especially the none of the Apple staff. So finally they was agree with me to shoot the videos, but obviously they just give some of the terms and conditions that I need to follow. That none of the Apple team members needs to come on the frame. If it's by mistakenly come, is fine, but not by purposely. So it's very difficult and it's very hard to shoot the videos from the Apple Store on event day. Alright, so let me tell you that how many people are still waiting to come to the stores. There is a lots of queues outside. People are waiting for 30 minutes to 1 hour to see just the iPhone 17 series. Let me give you one of the example. So guys, you can see this is the queues to see the new iPhone 17 Pro series and the new iPhone 17 Air. There is a lots of people are in the queue to come to see the new iPhone, and you can see the people are still coming since morning time. So that was the things that I was saying you in advance, that there might be a queue to come to see the new iPhone 17 series. This is the new Apple Watch Ultra, which is the Apple launched the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Apple Watch Series 11, which is the same as the body device from the Apple Watch Series 10. There is nothing major changes. Alright, so that was the first look for the new iPhone 17 series, which is the new iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 base model, and the new iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max as well. There is some of the controversial as well with the orange color, so please put your thoughts as well that how this color is look like, and also please put your thoughts as well that how this new iPhone is look like in the 2025. Also, if you have any questions regarding this new iPhone, please leave the comments below and I will give you the answers whatever your questions are. Also, if you have any other questions regarding any other tech products, please leave the comments below. So now, time to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video. See you in the next one. Take care.